The last session we have discussed about the production of citric acid. Citric acid ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆಮರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Actually, which involves a rotary vacuum filter to remove the suspended or precipitated solid after partial dilution. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. This is followed by a cation exchange cell to reduce the contamination of traces of elements. ಏನಾದರೂ traces of elements ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ ಕಂಟಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ cation exchange resin bed ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then the syrup is cooled in a cooler where it is pumped to fermentate. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ then it is fed to the fermentator ಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, where conversion of molecules of hexane sugar to 6 carbon atom molecules of citric acid. Purification and recovery results. Acid is the basic on application of milk of lime. Milk of lime ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರಿಂಗ್, ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ this calcium citrate is then decomposed to citric acid and calcium sulfate by the use of sulfuric acid. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಸಿಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಲ್ಫ್ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. The acid is then passed through a bed of carbon granules followed by demineralization, that is to purification process, and fed to multiple effect evaporator for its concentration. A concentrated liquor is fed to crystallizer where the crystallization takes place and the crystals formed are separated by centrifuging. The mother liquor is recycled to carbon bed or lime tank. A citric damp acid crystals are remelted, vacuum crystallized, centrifuged, dried, screened and packed. Citric acid is most versatile acid. The applications are: it is a pure acidulant used in carbonated beverages, in jams and jellies, in other foodstuffs. It is used in medicines, in the manufacture of citrates, in vinyl resin, as plasticizers, etc. These are the things we have studied in the previous session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the manufacture of gelatin, that is glue. Gelatin is an organic nitrogenous colloidal protein substance whose principal value depends on its coagulative, protective, adhesive power. Gelatin are of two types. type A and type B. The chemical reaction is C102H149N31O38. ಇದು ಕೊಲೆಗನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. On hydrolysis gives C102H151N31O39. ಅದನ್ನ ಜಿಲೆಟಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಕೊಲೆಗನ್ COLLAGEN ಕೊಲೆಗನ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಿಲೆಟಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So this is the flow diagram for the production of gelatin. Type A gelatin the process is like this. Type A gelatin is made from skins which are first washed, skins of the animals which are first washed and then soaked for 10 to 30 hours in a phosphoric acid or sulfuric acid at a pH of 1 to 3. After swelling, the skins are washed. The pH is adjusted to 3.5 to 4 and then extracted with hot water. Usually 4 to 5 extraction tanks are used and the extraction liquor becomes hotter in each tank. The first extraction is at 55 to 65 degrees Celsius temperature, and in the last extraction tank the temperature may be 95 to 100 degrees Celsius. Each extraction requires 4 to 5 hours. After the last extraction is completed, the liquid is degreased, filtered, deionized and then concentrated. This concentrated liquor is chilled, it is cooled, cut into noodles and dried at 60 degrees Celsius or above on a continuous wire mesh belt. The dried product is ground and blended with other gelatin to get adhesive property. The type B gelatin is made from bones and sometimes skins and hides. The bones are degreased, the fat content is removed and demineralized with 4 to 5% HCl, hydrochloric acid, over 5 to 8 weeks. After washing, the bones are agitated daily for 3 to 6 weeks in a slurry, in lime pits or in tanks. When the lime treatment is complete, the mixture is washed for 15 to 30 hours, acidified to 5 to 8 pH with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid, and extracted and concentrated. Both the processes requires the use of stainless steel for most of the equipment to avoid corrosion. In the type A gelatin or type B gelatin, they use concentrated acids. See, these concentrated acids are having highly corrosive in nature, hence the containers must be corrosion resistant like stainless steel or any other material. The liming tanks may be of concrete or wood. Next, we'll discuss about production of vinegar. Vinegar is produced by aerobic bacterial oxidation of alcohol to dilute acetic acid. So vinegar is nothing but a dilute acetic acid which contains up to 8% of acetic acid. Is another ancient procedure. Furnishing vinegar a flavored acetic acid solution fermented from wine, cider, malt or dilute alcohol. If pure dilute alcohol is fermented, pure dilute acetic acid is obtained. The yield is 80 to 90%. Limited quantity of air must be supplied because too much air causes losses because of undesired oxidation. Undesired oxidation ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಏರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಫಾರ್ aerobic fermentation. The chemical reactions is ethanol C2H5OH is oxidized to acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde is further oxidized to acetic acid. The ethanol is oxidized to acetic acid, further oxidized to acetic acid. Since the reaction is exothermic, either the alcohol can be slowly crippled through the apparatus to dissipate the heat, or it can be recirculated with the special cooling. If cider, malt or other wine is fermented, the acetic acid content of the resulting vinegar rarely exceeds 5% because of limitations of sugar content. If the dilute alcohol is the raw material, the acetic acid may rise to vinegar. Certain esters are formed during the fermentation, varying with the raw material and thus imparting a characteristic flavor. Synthetic acetic acid is made from ethylene or by treating methanol with carbon monoxide. So this is about the production of vinegar and gelatin. Now let us see the MCQs. Type A gelatin is made by dash process. Options are A acid, option B lime, C soda, option D salt. The right answer is option A, that is acid. Question number 2. More than 55% type A gelatin is used in dash production. Options are pharmaceuticals, option B photographic films, option C food, option D adhesive. The right answer is C in the food item. Indiaದಲ್ಲಿ more than 55% of type A gelatin is used in the food production. Next question. Chemical formula of gelatin is dash. 102's H49 N31 O38. Option B C102 H151 N31 O39. C103 H153 N131 O138 and D 103 H51 N 31 and oxygen 38. The right answer is answer B. The formula of gelatin is C102 H151 N 31 and O 39. Next, fourth one. Type A gelatin is made from skins by soaking into dash phosphoric acid, B hydrochloric acid, C nitric acid, and D acetic acid. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next, fifth one. Vinegar is dilute solution of. Vinegar is a dilute solution of. Option A formic acid, option B acetic acid, option D oxalic acid, option D benzoic acid. Option B is the right answer. So these are the MCQs, some of the MCQs in this session. Thank you.